Let me be honest with you for a second. Most creators think YouTube growth is all about luck or praying that one video goes viral. Meanwhile, the pros, the YouTube gurus are out here using strategies that multiply their reach even while they are asleep. And the crazy part is these strategies is right in front of everyone, but almost nobody is using them correctly. If you are tired of posting videos that disappear after 48 hours, please, I am begging you, pay close attention to this, because these 4 advanced SEO tactics that I'm about to share with you will change how you show up on YouTube. Now, if you want to stand out in this remaining part of the year, I think we have 5 weeks till the end of 2025. Here are 4 advanced SEO strategies the pros are using, even though they hardly talk about them. Do I need to introduce myself again? Okay, for those who are just seeing this face for the first time, my name is Dorothy. On this channel, I share tips and tricks that help you grow your own YouTube channel. So if this is something you are interested in, please do well by subscribing to the channel, turn on your bell notification so that you will get notified when I drop new video. Now, let's start. The first on my list here is multi-language subtitle. YouTube recently added automatic dubbing. Basically, YouTube can translate your videos into multiple languages automatically now. Here is the simpler explanation. Every new language gives your video new SEO signal. That means your video can show up for people who speak French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Swahili, the whole world basically. It's still the same video, but suddenly brand new audience can now find you. Now here is where creators mess up. If your channel is entertainment based, feel free to leave it on or at least keep it in review mode. For educational or tutorial channel like this one, it is better to turn it off. You might want to ask why. I have 2 reasons and they are very valid. First, your video might get recommended next to a content that has absolutely nothing to do with your niche, simply because the translation made YouTube think you are targeting new audience. Secondly, the dub audio won't match your lip movement. It is AI generated. It can't be real. It can't be like the original. And it kind of feels awkward, you know. That alone can make your video perform worse. So yes, multi-language subtitles are powerful, but only if your content benefits from it. The next one on my list is strategic chapters. A lot of creators let YouTube auto-generate chapters for them, but don't do that. And if you are doing that, stop it. Write your own chapters by yourself, because each chapter is an opportunity to show up in Google search. You've probably searched for something on Google, let's say how to change a flat tire, and out of all the queries a video pop up and you click on the video and the video started right in the middle. That happened because Google indexed that exact chapter. So instead of lazy chapter titles like Introduction, Tip 1, Section 1, Section 2, try something keyword focused. Like for a video titled ChatGPT prompt every YouTuber must know, instead of the usual Introduction, Section 1, Tip 2, and like that, write something like content planning, just as you can see right here. Make sure your first timestamp starts with 0 seconds to activate the feature, and also double check that your timing and section are accurate so your viewers don't get confused. Think of each chapter as a mini video title inside your main video. This way you are giving YouTube and Google more door for viewers to come through. The third one is weaponized playlist. Most creators treat playlists like a storage box. They just dump video inside, and that's very wrong. Instead, treat playlists like engines. Give them keyword rich titles and a real description to make them rankable. For example, if you have a multiple videos on how to start a YouTube channel, don't create a playlist and call it my video. Instead, create something like this: how to start a YouTube video step by step in 2025. That alone performs so much better than a generic playlist title. When your playlist rank, all the video inside it benefit automatically. Moving on to number 4 is strategically pinned comments. Pinned comments are so underrated. They actually get crawled by YouTube too, which means that your pinned comment can help you reinforce your keywords and boost your SEO. And to top it up, pinned comment pushes engagement, and engagement pushes reach. For example, on a video titled how to upload videos on YouTube the right way, your pinned comment could say, "Hey fams, Hey loves, hey darling, hey whatever you call your community. Did this video help you understand how to upload video the right way? Let me know in the comments. If you have been uploading through the YouTube app, try this method and come back and tell me the difference. And if you have any challenges right now, drop them here. I might make a video about it. This kind of comment does three things at once. First, it boosts engagement. Secondly, it strengthens your keyword. Third, it shows viewers you genuinely care. Now, here is the part most creators never understand. A lot of people on YouTube are chasing trend, chasing luck, chasing the next viral spark. And when that doesn't happen, they think YouTube is against them. But the creators who win are the ones playing the long-term game. They are not just posting videos, they are building assets. Because when you optimize your video properly, it doesn't disappear after 2 days. It keeps working for you. It keeps pulling views and subscribers for months, sometimes even years. Before you go, you don't have to do everything today. Start with the basic. Fix your channel keyword, write better titles, optimize your description, then slowly add these strategies on top of it. Because at the end of the day, YouTube reward creators who serve their audience, not the one who chase the algorithm. If this video helped you or gave you a fresh idea, hit the subscribe button and join the family because there is more still coming. Turn on your bell notifications so that you get notified when I drop new video. Before you leave, drop a comment. What is your biggest YouTube challenge right now? I read every comment on this channel and I will probably reply to yours. And I also have a video where I break down the basic YouTube SEO step by step. I will leave the link of the video in the description box and also on end screen. So make sure you check it out. Like I said before, my name is Dorothy and we've come to the end of this video. Bye. I will see you all in my next one.